guys, welcome back again to another brand new video. So today's video is kind of different and very new for me, and I guess for you people, because today's video is not about like trying a particular cuisine for 24 hours or trying a one ingredient food for 24 hours, but only trying sweet dishes. Like not for 24 hours. I don't have a sweet tooth, so I just can't eat sweet all day long. I decided and I prepared 3 sweet dishes. All the sweet dishes are of a single color. So this is my first time I'm making all the 3 items. The main thing is that I have like this video is totally dedicated to the month of love, to your sweetheart, to my sweetheart, to everyone's sweetheart. So आप लोग अभी जाइए, जल्दी से देख के आइए कि ये तीनों चीजें कैसे मैंने बनाए हुए हैं. तो चलिए.
Now 20 minutes later. Minutes later.
I think so कि आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा होगा. So first I'll start with red velvet pancakes. So this is the buttercream frosting. Actually मेरे पास कोई ऐसा सिरप या फिर कुछ और नहीं था कि मैं इसके ऊपर डालूं. So I just went for buttercream frosting for all the 3s. Like मैं cookies को भी इसमें dip करके ही खाऊंगी. तो ये so let's start with the pancakes first. So this is a piece over here. So आप देख सकते हैं बहुत ही fluffy है ये. So let's just taste it. Super awesome. Right? ज़्यादा कुछ बताने का है नहीं, बहुत ही sweet है. And आप लोग चाहे तो शुगर कम या ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं because I don't like sweet at all. आई एम नॉट दैट मच स्वीट टूथ, सो इसमें मीठा जो है मैंने कम ही डाला हुआ है। एंड बेसिकली ट्राई टू हैव दिस वाइट बटर क्रीम फ्रॉस्टिंग बिकॉज ये इसके साथ ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है, एंड बिकॉज इट इज़ रियली टेस्टिंग गुड, लाइक बोथ द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बोथ ऑफ देम आर रियली गुड। ये इसे सादा ट्राई करके देखती हूँ, लाइक विदाउट द क्रीम। It is velvety soft, it is very squishy and very spongy, and I love it. The buttercream frosting is definitely complementing it, so I prefer having the pancakes with this one, not as a सीधा. They are very much spongy, airy, bubbly, everything. They are really good. So अभी इसको मैं साइड रख, and next I'll try on these. So as I said कि मैंने सबके साथ यही एक बटर क्रीम का फ्रॉस्टिंग लिया हुआ है because I didn't have anything white to drizzle on, and I wanted to like make it a theme of like white and red. So I opted out for this. So there are these cookies and this buttercream frosting. So these are the cookies. Oh nice, very soft and moist cookies with the cream. mm. लाजवाब, बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत 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 अच्छा है। Tastes so good. Cookies are like not like biscuits, they have to be soft and plus crunchy. So my cookies are giving it a crunch, and it is soft, it is nice, it is sweet, it is flavorful, it is awesome, just so good. बहुत अच्छा था। Pancakes 10 on 10, cookies 11 on 10, and lastly जो बचा हुआ है that is the dorayaki cakes. So I have made it the red velvet dora cakes. Now I have cut it, and oh my god, they completely look like dorayaki cake का जो अंदर का जो फीलिंग होता है, completely look like that. चलिए खाते हैं डोरेमोन का केक, मतलब डोरायाकी केक. So the last and the unique one, let's give it a try. These taste totally different, like totally different. They are much more airy, they are much more bubbly, they are much more fluffy, and they are very less sweet. This is really a showstopper, really a game changer bro. आज का जो भी ये तीनों का तीनों रेसिपीज था, तीनों का तीनों फूड आइटम्स था, तीनों का तीनों स्वीट डिशेस था, सबके सब हो गए हैं टेस्टेड। एंड जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि आई डोंट हैव अ स्वीट टूथ, सो आई डोंट लाइक ईटिंग टू मच स्वीट, बट this month is all for sweethearts and sweet memories and sweet loving moments and everything. So these are the 3 sweet red and white dishes that you should definitely try, and let me know that how they liked it and how did you make it, what else have you put any twists and turns into it, and anything and everything you can try out with these recipes. These were my own versions of dorayaki cakes, red velvet cookies and red velvet pancakes, all in red, color of love and everything. So that was all for today's video guys. So if you guys like this video, then do not forget to share the video with your friends, with your loved ones, with your sweethearts. And if you guys really like this video, do subscribe to my channel, do hit the like button, and please let me know what should I bring more interesting so that you people will like it. And nothing more guys, just thank you so much for watching my videos, for supporting me in a virtual manner, and just thanks a lot. On that note, stay safe, stay healthy, and happy eating guys. Bye.